Hello everyone, this is Meeta Lalwani. I'm the product manager for TrueSight Automation for servers. In this video, we are going to see how can you import the vulnerabilities directly from Tenable.sc. So we have developed a new connector which can be used to have the integration with the direct REST APIs in the JSON format. You can have more than one configuration if you need to connect to more than one Tenable.sc. If you go to the connectors page, you will see an option of Tenable.sc connector. We will go through one of the configuration. So here you will specify the host name, or it can be a user defined name also. You will specify the URL from where the tool should be able to access the newly available vulnerability information. You need to share access key and secret key. Also the query ID. The query ID is a parameter which you get from Tenable.sc. In this information, what you pass on is the filter data. Let's say you would like to import vulnerabilities only related to Windows and for severity which are critical and high. So you will create a filter into Tenable tool and you will pass on the query ID for that Tenable over here. Also, you will specify how old data would you like to import into the system? Let's say I'm only interested into the vulnerabilities which are not older than 30 days. So I will specify 30 days over here. In case you just want the latest vulnerabilities, you can just specify fetch data from the last 1 day itself. So in this case, I would like to import the data which is last 30 days old and I'll just hit save. This is how easy the configuration setup for Tenable.sc integration is. Also, in this, there is a configuration schedule which will tell you how frequently would you like to fetch the data. So let's say I would like to fetch the data every 24 hours into the system, which means that any new vulnerabilities which is available in the last 24 hours will be imported into the system. So our recommendation is to keep it 24 hours or 1 day so that your data is always up to date. So this is all you have to do to save the data or update the connector. Once you have done, the data from the Tenable.sc, which are related to vulnerability scans, will be imported into the system automatically at the defined interval. There is no manual step which will be needed to import the data into the system. This was it to specify how do you integrate Tenable.sc with Automation Console. Thank you.